My name is Jamie Vrijhof-Droese and I'm one of the managing partners of WHVP. We are a Swiss-based wealth management company specialized in serving US clients. It is my pleasure to talk at the next Bosco Online Workshop about Swiss wealth management for US investors. In today's volatile world, international wealth planning becomes ever more important. But in our experience, a lot of investors are not aware of the opportunities that lay outside of their home country. Working with a Swiss wealth manager in combination with a European private bank, you can profit from a different portfolio emphasis, from geographical diversification, and from an added layer of asset protection. If you're interested in learning more, I invite you to join me on October 8th, where I will talk about all of those topics in more detail. See you there.